Back here with another video. This is Rod the Drawer, and today I'm gonna be drawing one of my friends from school. So, further ado, let's get into the video. Click, clack, that. Don't forget to subscribe. But let's go. Let's get it. Before this video gets started, there's two things I gotta tell you. I'm about to hit 100 subscribers on this channel, and I have to do something special. Of course, man, you know me, Rod the Drawer. I have to do something special for y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little giveaway with one of my paintings. I'm gonna do one of the paintings. For you. So guys, there's only 2 steps to getting this giveaway. 2. So the first step is you have to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so you can be notified when the next video come out, because you don't want to miss it. Bangers coming out. So the second step is all you gotta do is follow me on Instagram at Rod the Drawer. It's right here. Don't miss out. So yeah, let's get into the video.
I just like the sound.